How can this little trick that rappers, rockers, and pop stars use in their live performances make you a rock star in business and in your career? Here's the deal. Psychology shows us that when people are actually talking, it's when they're the most engaged. And when they're listening, they're the least engaged. And there's actually a 61% chance, if somebody's listening to you and you keep talking, that they're going to be disengaged completely. They're going to tune you out altogether. This is why rappers, rockers, and pop stars, when they're doing a concert, they go like this with the mic and they get the crowd to sing or rap the lyrics back. It's a simple trick they've known for years to keep the audience fully locked in and engaged with them. So the next time you're in a sales pitch or a business meeting or an important job interview, make sure that on a regular basis, you're taking your mic and pointing it at the audience, the other person that you're talking to. Does that make sense? What are your thoughts on this? Does that match what you needed? Has anything changed since we last spoke? Make sure that every few seconds you're re-engaging the person you're talking to. They're going to be locked in, listening to you, and totally engaged. And they're going to love you like a bunch of believers love Justin Bieber. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.